How are you guys doing out there? I hope you're all doing good. I'm coming to you guys from Los Angeles. So, everybody, wherever you guys are in the world, hope you guys are doing good. This is gonna be a cryptocurrency video, guys. And right before I even continue, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. There's no intent to advise, but this video is gonna be about me sharing to you guys my strategy for investing in cryptocurrency and securing gains. Right. So that's what I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about. And don't always forget, guys, everybody in the cryptocurrency space is there to make money. So always keep that in mind. Now, with that said, I hope you're all doing good. So wherever you are, wherever you are in the world. So we're definitely experiencing some wicked times in this year of 2020. So it's definitely going to be an interesting end, considering there's still 3 months to go and the surprises definitely do not stop. So but that's a whole other conversation and topic. But right now, let's jump into what I do to secure gains for myself in the cryptocurrency space. So I actually, guys, like to do I like to trade BTC pairs against other coins for Satoshi value gain, as opposed to what a lot of others do for USDT. So a lot of people actually trade USDT against other coins, but right now I'm actually focused on earning more Bitcoin as opposed to USDT, because I'm actually one of the believers that says when the time comes, Bitcoin will fly to $1 million. I know John McAfee said that, and then he took his statement back, but I strongly believe that Bitcoin will be $1 million, and let me say why. Considering all the space Bitcoin has to gain, I mean, it's not even being used in the real world now. And Coinbase, which is a federal partner, which is pretty much a federal partner of the U.S. government, um, is pretty much the face of proceeding to all institutions, stores, and all forms of value to one day be used as Bitcoin, because we are heading towards the digital world. Now, yes, they're saying what they're going to do is change the US dollar to the digital dollar, which is probably going to be blockchain, of course. But Bitcoin is definitely still going to be here, and it's still going to be here strong. And I think with the adoption of a digital United States dollar, we will absolutely see more adoption of Bitcoin itself. And whenever there's adoption everywhere worldwide, and whenever we see everyone using Bitcoin and every store accepting Bitcoin and every institution invested in Bitcoin, that is the day that Bitcoin will be $1 million. So let me say this in more simplistic terms. Let's say, for example, we go to a superstore or any other store and every store accepts Bitcoin. Well, that would then be a day where Bitcoin's price will likely be $1 million, because it can't be anything less if it's accepted everywhere in the world. So it's true that it's one percenters that make the money move. However, I do want to reiterate that it's the population that pretty much richens the 1%. As they say, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Well, there's a lot of truth to that, but what I'm trying to say is, once all the one percenters and the big institutions and big companies begin to adopt Bitcoin, which will only be a matter of time, that is the day Bitcoin will be $1 million. And what I'm getting at with this is also the fact that my strategy I use to trade is for Bitcoin, not for USDT. So USDT, guys, is the $1 holder, as a lot of you guys know. So if you guys are trading USDT pairs against other cryptocurrency to gain more USDT value, USD equivalents, then you can use that strategy. But right now I'm trying to acquire more Bitcoin instead of USDT or USD in a sense. So Bitcoin is the strategy um, I'm focusing on to gain. So what I do and what I use as my strategy is, first of all, whatever I do, excuse me, whatever I do in terms of investing, I always ensure that wherever I move my money, whatever I do, that it's going to be safe. Anything you do in life, you want to ensure what you do is safe. You guys want to prioritize safety first, because if there's no safety, then you're at risk, right? And that's not why we're here. We're not over here to put ourselves at risk. We're here to ensure safe gains. So whenever you guys are deciding to make investments, I tell you to always make sure that safety is ensured prior to doing anything. And that's actually that actually falls into everything in life. Whether you're driving a car, whether you're doing anything, you guys want to ensure safety first. So depending on what you guys want to do, my strategy is investing in, I'd say, the top 50 coins that are listed on a lot of exchanges. So let's go ahead and look at XRP. XRP is number 4. Its Satoshi value right now is at 2,144 BTC. So if we look at the Satoshi value of XRP, we can see that it's usually and always been at an average at about 2,400 to about 2,600, right? So right now, if there's anyone that's looking to flip XRP for more BTC, which is what I'm currently focused on, I think 2,144 Satoshis is actually a good buy for XRP, and that's my opinion. It's not financial advice. But what the strategy I'm trying to get at is you guys want to buy low and sell whenever the price goes up. So you guys definitely want to make sure that you guys are buying when it's low, and that's another key important piece. And I would say that if there's something that you do want to buy that's not low enough, well then don't buy it. Because if you're gonna have to wait a while for that money you invest in, and you don't know what's gonna happen during the time that you would think that wouldn't sell, well then you're just losing money just having your money there. Now there's a lot of day traders, or I don't even want to say day traders, because cryptocurrency is 24 hours, but there's people that just trade on the hour or on the 3 hours or on the 1 or 2%, and you can absolutely do that. But I like to trade on about 10 to 15% gains on 3 to 4 week durations. So what am I trying to say? If you guys are trading to make 1 or 2% gains, I tell you this: you can attempt it, but if there is more than a 1 or 2% fallback, then you're already losing money. That's why my strategy is wait a little longer, wait until it's a little bit lower, wait until it's really low, and then you invest. So that way you're not only secure, but you're also confident that in the near future you're gonna get a nice gain. And obviously you guys want to know where everything is. So and the way you do that is by looking at the history of where whatever coin you want to invest is. So if you guys are looking at XRP right now on CoinMarketCap, so if you actually go to CoinMarketCap and you look at XRP in the last 3 months, we'll actually come to notice that its market capital is high, whereas its Satoshi value is very low actually. So we see since the crash, XRP has gained in USDT value, and also it's gained in, but it's dropped in Satoshi value. So what you guys want to do is, in my opinion, and this isn't advice, you guys want to wait until the Satoshi value is as low as it is right now, and then invest also whenever the price is low, so that way you're more secure. Because if the price drops and Bitcoin also drops, then the same Satoshi value is gonna retain. However, if Bitcoin's price stays where it is and XRP's market cap goes down, then the Satoshi value will increase. However, there's this thing now, it's called coupling, where they say, oh, Bitcoin is, or these altcoins are coupled with Bitcoin at a specific Satoshi value. And yes, that's absolutely true, which is what I was saying just like 2 minutes ago, where I was like, if you guys notice, XRP's value is at XRP's average value in the last 2 years had been from about 2,400 to about 2,600 Satoshis. So if you guys notice, right now it's at 2144, but the market cap is really high, and the reason why it is this way right now is simply because Bitcoin's price is higher now. So Bitcoin is at 11.5 as of this live stream. So even if Bitcoin goes up, the price of XRP will go up so that its Satoshi value is retained. However, I strongly believe, for one, that XRP's Satoshi value will get back to the 24 to 2600 mark, and that it'll also even reach the 3000 and 3600 mark. I know there's a lot of traders that got stuck out whenever the Satoshi value of XRP was at 3600, and then there was a price drop and they obviously couldn't sell, so they just have to hold now until that the price goes up. So that's one thing to keep in mind, guys, because yes, the Satoshi value is down right now, but you guys also have to look at the XRP price, because the XRP price now is actually more higher than it was, and actually isn't coupled with Bitcoin. So there was a bit of decoupling there. So for those of you that were trading USDT pairs against XRP, well, you guys have made some money. But for those of you, such as myself, that have been trading BTC against XRP for BTC gains, well, we're down right now because the Satoshi value is at 2100. So we're all looking for that 3000 Satoshi value. So that is still yet to come. I think there's gonna be a bull market early next year. I would say in February. I don't think anything is gonna happen in these next couple months, considering all the FUD with the U.S. presidential elections taking place. So we'll still have to wait and see how the politics play out. But my strategy pretty much is choosing a couple, dividing my assets into about 6 coins, 6 trustworthy coins that would be low in price and also low in Satoshi value, and investing, because you guys want to invest when it's low, because the lower you guys invest at, the more safe you are in securing your gains. Now, if you guys invest when it's high, well, you know what? Yeah, it could go down for a little, but then it could go up again too. But the point is, you're going to be wasting all that time waiting for it to go back up. That's why it's just a better idea to just wait until the price is low, so you guys can then invest, and then that way you'll be also more secure in terms of making some gains, right? So I wanted to bring up another example other than XRP. Let's see, where is IOTA? Because I know that IOTA is actually pretty low in terms of its market cap right now, but its BTC Satoshi value is also not that low. So looking at this right now, we can see that, whoa, this thing had a low of a $380 million market cap during the March crash, but after that, we see a big gain to about 38.40 cents, and then we see a price drop to about 27 cents for IOTA. But the average Satoshi value of IOTA was about 2600 to about 2900, similar to that of XRP. So Again, similarly with XRP, you guys want to invest whenever its Satoshi value is at its lowest, and also invest whenever its USD value is at its lowest. That way you're really safe. But again, depending on what you guys want to do, I think BTC is definitely the focus, because the way it's looking, a lot of these, altcoins don't want to increase their market cap too much, because if they do that, then they're also increasing their Satoshi value. And the impression I'm getting is that these guys don't want you to get more Bitcoins out of their own coins. So it's almost as though it's actually a fight for Bitcoin in a sense. But um again, so I choose a couple coins that are pretty low, that are reliable, that are, trustworthy, of course, that we all know aren't gonna just turn the lights off and, exit, right? So I just do that and wait about a couple weeks and wait for a 10 to 15% increase in price. And I think it's more safe to do that than invest on a 1 or 2% gain, because if you guys try to do that, not looking at the price and the thing, well, you know, you're at risk, right? So guys, whatever you do, ensure safety first. But let me know what you guys think of my strategy. Let me know what you guys use for your guys' strategy to invest in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space in general. So there's so many new coins coming up, and like I said, they have a good chance of failure, and they also have a good chance of success, considering this is a new space. So drop some comments, guys, like the video, subscribe, share it, and be safe out there, guys. It's pretty rough right now. We live in rough times, but we'll make it, guys. Okay, so peace, guys. Be good.